I need to resize this model. But regular scaling isn't suitable. Scaling will also change the size of the mounts, which will become too fragile and easily break during 3D printing. Therefore, I'm going to cut away some of the interior without damaging the model. The model is 51 mm by 51 mm, so I need to reduce the size by 1 cm, or 10 mm in both axes. To maintain the proportions, I'll trim away 5 mm in 2 places in both axes. To cut out part of the model, I need a simple shape. First, I'll add a cube. To see the dimensions, you can press the N key in Blender. Next, I set the desired dimensions for the cube, 5 mm, and position the object at the desired coordinates. Next, I select the model from which I'll be cutting out the parts and go to the modifiers section. Here, I need to select a Boolean modifier. Make sure the difference option is selected, and the operand type is object. Select Exact Solver. At the bottom, expand the drop-down and select the Self-Intersection checkbox. In the Object field, select a cube, wait for it to load, and then select Apply from the drop-down at the top. If everything is done correctly, then by hiding the object you can see that part of the object has been cut out. Now I need to repeat this process 3 more times, for a total of 4 cuts. I've finished cutting, but all the cut parts are still one object. The first step in reassembling an object is splitting it. To do this, I select the model and go to Edit mode. Then I press the P key and select by loose parts. Now the parts that aren't connected are separate objects. Now the parts need to be assembled. To do this, I select the Snap tool at the top of the editor, the magnet icon. I'll leave the center part untouched. Next, select the part 1 want to attach to the center, press the G key, and move it toward the center. It will automatically attach. In this case, I only need to move the parts horizontally. It's easier to do this from above to avoid moving the parts vertically. Some parts are still shifted vertically. This can be easily fixed by simply setting the vertical coordinate to 0. Now we need to combine the parts into a single object. To do this, select all the parts in the left pane, press Ctrl+J, and the selected parts should become a single object. You can also do this by clicking the object in the top pane and selecting Join. Since I'll be printing this model, there's no need for more complex joining methods. The model will remain unified when exported.